What can a social media virtual assistant do for your business? They can do so much. So they can actually create banners for your social media sites. They can edit pictures. They can post things on your social media sites. They can also respond to social media. A social media virtual assistant can actually create accounts for you. They can also manage your accounts and create logos for you. Manage your calendars and help you with your content. Social media virtual assistant can engage with the people that are responding in the comments. They can help you get 5-star reviews and more followers. They can help you with daily postings. They can compile data and analyze it for you and create reports for you so you can make decisions on what you want to do with your social media. A virtual assistant social media can do so much for you for very affordable prices. Social media virtual assistants can do so much for you and your business.